Hello, I'm Mike from Terralec. Today I'm going to show you how to do a basic chase using the Cobra Control24 and the Cobra Par 64 RGB can. So once you've got your controller and light working together, so we can test that in manual mode. So it's all working. We're going to try and do a little basic chase. So a chase is basically a selection of scenes or steps, you can call them, and you can use chases for bands or for DJ work. So we're going to go into record mode. First of all, we need to make sure your unit is in 124 single preset mode. If it's not, you can use the mode select button to do that. To go into record mode, press the record button and press buttons 1, 5, 6 and 8, and then let go of the record and the record light will come on. Make sure you're in 1 to 24 single preset mode. Okay, so first of all we're going to set our first step in our chase. So we move up the fourth slider and the first slider to make red. You'll find with this particular light, if you go too high with the fourth slider, it will start strobing. So we want to just go above 50% so the light doesn't strobe. So we can save that scene now by pressing the record button. All the lights should flash. So our next step or scene will be green. So set your scene, press the record button, all the lights should flash. And you can keep doing this a number of times to build up a long chase. You can put up two sliders to colour mix two colours together. So for example, if you put up red and blue, it makes a purple colour. If you push up all sliders, it makes a white colour. Okay, so now we've stored all those scene stroke steps into the controller's memory, and now we need to save that somewhere. So you can save your scenes or chases on this bottom row down here. You've got 12 different positions and 4 pages of 12. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then here you've got scenes 1, 2, 3 up to 12. So now we're going to save that by holding down the record. I'm going to save this on scene 1, so we're going to press the button that corresponds to scene 1, which is button 13. So hold the record and press 13, then let go of them both. All the lights should flash. Okay, now to play that scene we need to come out of record mode. So do that by holding the record and then pressing the record exit button, which is next to it. The record light will go off. Move all your sliders down to the bottom. So to play back your scenes and chases, you need to go into chase scene mode. Do that by selecting the mode select button. So the red light's on. Okay, there's two ways you can play back your chase. First is just with speed control, and the second with its built-in audio control. So now we can start our chase by moving up scene button number 1, and then we can use the speed slider to select the speed it goes for each step. With the speed slider to the top, it's at its fastest, so we can slow that down a bit. You can also use the fade slider to add some fade into it. So with the fade slider to the top, it's just hard on and hard off. So it's instant on and colour change. So we move that slider down a little bit, and our chase will now fade. Our second way is with the controller's built-in microphone. So to do that, again, you have the fade slider to the top, move the speed to the bottom, press the audio button, and then you can move the audio slider to the top, and then it will change to the bass beat of the music. Again, you can add some fade into that by moving the fade slider down a little bit. So it adds a bit of fade in as well. And if you want to turn off your lights at any point, you can always press the blackout button. So when that LED is lit, no lights will output.